Confirmed in mid-Michigan, the Bay County Health Department tells TV5 a Bay City resident has contracted the virus.
Health officials say the person is not currently in Bay County, and it appears there were no close contacts. As that patient isolates, James Felton reports health officials are scrambling to stop its spread,
so that it doesn't get into places like daycare centers, schools, where you have young children, because they're all over each other, and it certainly would be, the kind of environment where we would see spread.
Catherine Budnar talking about monkeypox. The medical director for the Midland County Department of Public Health says the rare disease can spread to anyone through close contact with an infected person or by sharing items with an infected person.
Any close personal contact is what is needed to transmit monkeypox.
Budnar tells us while monkeypox is not a sexually transmitted infection, it can be transmitted by having intimate physical contact between people. Budnar says her department is trying to raise awareness about monkeypox and identify who is at risk. So far, the disease is most prevalent in men who have sex with men. Scott Ellis, executive director of Great Lakes Bay Pride, tells us this is a demographic he represents.
So we want to make sure that we're getting information out to our community members, those who are at highest risk for potentially contracting the illness, and also advocating for an increase in the number of vaccinations that we have available.
Great Lakes Bay Pride is part of the Regional Monkeypox Task Force. The task force provides educational resources and updates about the monkeypox outbreak and the vaccination strategy being deployed statewide.
While it's predominantly impacting the LGBT community right now, particularly those who identify as men who have sex with men, it will spread beyond that community. And we want to make sure that we can, contain it and address it.
And while Budnar is concerned about monkeypox, she doesn't believe we are looking at a repeat of 2020.
It is not nearly as contagious as COVID. So the feeling is we're not going to have a pandemic of monkeypox.
James Felton, WNEM TV5.
and if you feel you have symptoms